Help desks and contact centers are targets for social engineering attacks. Attackers know that service agents have access to sensitive accounts and password reset and account recovery procedures. Many organizations are still using knowledge-based authentication, aka KBA. Knowledge-based authentication uses security questions or other account information that attackers probably already know because it's on the web somewhere or the dark web. TechJutsu addresses this gap by adding identity verification and multi-factor authentication to contact center authentication flows. With OrgVerify, service agents, the human service agents that is, can initiate a verification flow from the tools they already use like ITSM or CRM. The caller then completes the challenge using an authenticator that's already registered with their account. And TechJutsu interoperates with Okta, Auth0, and Microsoft Entra ID. So any of the authenticators that they accept can be used in this process. If the verification succeeds, the call center or help desk agent can then proceed with sensitive actions like issuing a temporary password or starting account recovery workflows. This helps reduce the risk that attackers can manipulate support staff into resetting credentials, bypassing controls, or exposing protected information. With OrgVerify, TechJutsu addresses the opposite problem, helping organizations prove who they are when they call consumers or employees. In this scenario, an agent generates a time-limited verification code from an authenticated business system they're using. The recipient then enters that code into OrgVerify web application and receives a confirmation that the caller is a legitimate representative of the organization that they claim to be calling from. It does not require the recipient to install an app either. This can support both customer-facing and business-to-employee scenarios. So TechJutsu works at the identity layer and integrates with many common enterprise environments, including those IDPs I mentioned, several ITSM tools, collaboration platforms, IVR systems, and other contact center software. Contact center authentication is not just a fraud reduction measure, it's also a control point for reducing credential compromise. KuppingerCole recognizes TechJutsu as a rising star for bringing identity-native verification to contact center authentication processes. Please read our KuppingerCole Rising Star report to learn how TechJutsu helps organizations reduce phishing, spoofing, and socially engineered help desk compromise.